WEST.
What is your position with the company? Okay, this is a criminal case. If it was a civil infraction, I could bend the rule. I can't bend the rule. You appeared without an attorney, and I can't allow a corporation to appear without an attorney. I'm not trying to make lawyers money. I'm going to adjourn the arraignment and pretrial. You have to hire a lawyer, okay?
This is the only paper I have. I don't even know why I'm here. I don't know what.
You're here because of a violation of ordinances, no registration, no registration, it says, no permits. So you should talk to a lawyer. I just can't let you represent a corporation. That's essentially me and requiring you to engage in the practice of law, and I can't do that.
Well, I don't know what, I don't have.
I don't write these rules.
No.
Did they give you the ticket?
I don't have the ticket though.
You got it at one point though.
This is all I had. This was sent.
Welcome back to the Courtroom Breakdown, folks. Today's case is packed with drama and tension. We've got a corporation in trouble over building code violations. And guess what? They're trying to represent themselves. That's right. No lawyer in sight. The judge is not having it. Can they get out of this without legal help? Stick around as we break down this explosive legal standoff.
Wow.
Hang on. Put the paper down.
Yes.
Did you ever receive the ticket?
I never received the ticket.
Heather, make him a copy of the ticket. You're charged with a misdemeanor, not you. Your company is.
Can I pay the ticket? What's the ticket?
Listen.
God, it's all respect.
Hang on.
Anything.
Hang on. Your name's John West, right? Robert West.
Yes.
That's fine. I can't let a person represent a corporation. The only people I can let represent corporations on criminal cases are lawyers. I can't let you appear for the corporation. You're going to have to hire a lawyer. We will give you the ticket, and you can take a copy of it, call your lawyer. It's a building code violation, and it gets more involved. Okay? So we will give you a copy of the ticket down the hall.
Okay.
We will give you a new court date right now, and you'll get your notice down the hall. And then you call your lawyer. Are we doing this 2 weeks from today?
Quick question.
Yes, Judge. February 11th at 9:45.
February 11th at night. I'm sorry.
And I'll need that file down here to give him a copy of the ticket because it looks like it's a handwritten ticket.
No problem. So she's going to give you a copy of the handwritten ticket. Call your lawyer. Talk to your lawyer.
I got a question. It's a ticket for minor, you said.
It's a building code violation. It's a criminal charge.
Okay.
Listen to me. I want you to listen because I'm going to answer your question.
Yeah.
I can't let you represent the corporation.
I understand.
What's your question?
The question is, can I pay the ticket and be done?
No, it's
Okay.
not just it's not just a civil infraction. It's a criminal case.
I'm so confused about how criminal case.
I didn't listen. All I do is sit here and know the law. Okay? I don't tell townships what to write. I don't tell city attorneys what to write, how to draft ordinances. But they wrote the corporation. The corporation must own the property. If they don't, then you tell your lawyer that. Your lawyer can come in and say they issued this to the wrong party. I don't have anything to do with what they do. Nothing. Zero. They don't consult with me before they decide to charge. I can't let you pay that. It's not just a ticket. It's a ticket, but it's a criminal charge. It's a misdemeanor.
What's the charge?
It's a building code violation. Resident hired National Electric for flickering light. I'm just reading off the bottom. It's handwritten, so I'm going to do my best. And informed resident he needed new electrical panel. They replaced panel. Still having issues. They still didn't register or get a permit, it looks like. Okay?
Okay. That's a quick fix for permit.
Sir?
Pay a ticket. I don't understand why.
Listen. How many times I got to tell you?
What do you tell
You gotta have a lawyer. I've told you that 5 times.
Okay.
How many more times can I tell you?
them?
This is not my rule. I don't write the rules. I just know what they are. I've known them for years. I'm not treating you different. I don't know what else to tell you.
I just asked a question.
You need a lawyer. I don't know how many times.
Hold up, folks. This is the moment that truly defines this case. The defendant claims he never even received the ticket. Now, this could be a game changer. Did they mess up the delivery? How does this affect the case going forward? The judge, however, is firm. No lawyer, no case representation. This sets a serious precedent on the importance of legal counsel for corporations. Who do you think is in the wrong here? The defendant, the corporation, or the system?
I got to tell you that to make you understand it. It's not my rule. If I let you do this, I got to call the state bar. You know why? Because if you're trying to represent the corporation, you're engaging in the unauthorized practice of law, just like I would be engaging in the unauthorized practice of medicine if I set up a shop next door and started fixing arms. You get what I'm saying?
I get what you're saying.
Okay. It's not my rule. I tried to tell you nicely. Don't make me raise my voice with you again.
Think about you raising your voice.
Go ahead and go down the hall. Good luck.
Great day.
You too. You'll get your notice and you'll get your ticket.
See you in 2 weeks, sir.
Okay.
Illegal or?
Thank you.
Yeah, that's the sign of things.
How you doing?
Good morning, Judge. Good. Doing well, how are you?
Would prefer to be back in Naples right now. Everything's good. Everything's good. Just don't know why our society's be so argumentative, Mr. Dillon. I really don't get. Everybody thinks they got the right to argue. They don't. They're lawyers now. Priority Waste LLC, 26B 150193. Your appearance?
Still on behalf of Priority Waste, B5648.
All right. So you're pleading the overweight, agreed upon fines and costs of $2,000, right?
Yeah.
So that charge on behalf of the company, what you're authorized to enter into, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Plea is accepted. Fines cost $2,000. I'll give you until February 27th. Or are they having real issues?
A little extra time with me.
What, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Why are they doing all this? I mean, it's got to be killing them.
Well,
I mean, you're in here all the time. I feel bad for them, but they're not complying with laws. Their life would be a lot easier. My God, this has to negate any and all profit that they.
I agree, Your Honor. And it's part of the problem is use of lift axles that many times we're pulled over without them bearing weight, which increases the overweight of our axles, and it's a driver issue. The other is just the crunch of business and having to get all the tread picked up and logistics and timing wise and taking it to the dump. So, I mean, this court isn't the only one that we have these issues in it.
I'm sure. What did I give you until on the other one? March 14th?
Yeah.
All right. On this, I now have 258149760A and B. Your appearance again.
Alex Dillon, B5264 on behalf of the person.
So the misdemeanor B file is going to be dismissed. You're going to plead responsible to the A file, and you're authorized there in that plea to overweight. True?
True.
To the charge of overweight, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Please accepted. Fines cost of $2,800 paid by March 14th. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss the B file. People Against Priority Waste LLC, 25B15010A and B. Your name?
Morning, Your Honor. Alex Dillon, B52648 on behalf of Priority Waste.
We have a misdemeanor here, file B, that will be dismissed as part of the plea agreement. And then we have another overweight, agreed upon fines and costs of $2,000. True?
Correct.
To that charge of overweight, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Plea is accepted. Fines costs of $2,800. Pay by March the 14th of 28. Where are these guys based out of again? Clinton Township?
Yeah, that's where the corporate office is. There's you.
Are you in house with them or? Oh no, wait, this wasn't 2,800. This was 2,000. My apologies. Right? This is 25E150100.
Yeah, 2000.
Yeah, I said 2,000. Heather, my apologies. It's 2,000, not 2,800. And 25B150100A, file B is dismissed. Fines costs on A 2,000, paid by March the 28th.
These trucks come out of a yard in Romulus.
Prior, is there something up, Mr. West, now?
I was waiting for the bail, I don't know where to go.
You go right down the end of the hall to the judicial clerks, all the way down to the window. He's going to bring the file down in a second, okay? Priority Waste LLC, 25B150019A and B. All right, appearance
Good
again.
morning, Your Honor. Alex Dillon on behalf of the Waste. I borrowed 52648.
So what year did that put you
I graduated in 94.
out of law school?
Yeah.
So you've been at it, what, about 28 years?
Yeah.
Goes fast, doesn't it? This is my 43rd, and I'm wondering, it seems like about 14 as a judge, 32nd here, and it's...
Yeah, I saw your photo out in the hallway, 1990.
This is where it gets interesting. Folks, the defendant seems confused, thinking he can simply pay the ticket and be done. But nope, not a chance. This is a criminal case, not a civil infraction, and there's a big difference. This is a misdemeanor charge, and paying it won't make it disappear. The judge is doing a great job making it clear that the law must be followed to the letter. So, can paying a fine really resolve a criminal case? Let us know what you think in the comments below.
5 is when you started. It's when you good
I was walking down the probation department one day about 3 years ago. Right, probation's right across the hall, and the guy says to me, "Judge," he's waiting out there. He says, "Is that you?" I said, "Yeah." He says, "Why don't you get an updated picture?" I said, "Why in the world would I do that?"
You don't look like you now.
Oh, give me a break.
That's what he should have said.
I don't. Anyway, I don't know if I took this one. So you're agreeing to pay on 50019A fines costs of $1,800, dismissing the B file to that charge, overweight, responsible or not responsible.
Responsible.
Please accept it. Fines costs of $1,800 due by March the 14th. Or do they need a little more time?
No, that's okay. March 4th.
And then I'm dismissing the B file, the misdemeanor. Have a great day.
Thanks.
Nice to see you always. All right. So you got a good license. He's moving to dismiss your driving on a suspended. You have a valid one, I should say now. He's dismissing the no proof of insurance, or she is, I'm sorry. And you are going to be responsible to the civil infraction of distracted driving instead of the no proof. True?
Sure.
All right. You have insurance, right?
Yes.
Okay. To the charge of distracted driving, good morning.
Good morning.
To the charge of distracted driving, that's a 0-pointer, responsible or not responsible.
Responsible.
All right. $175 on that. Please accept it. No proofs dismissed. The suspend's dismissed. You can go down the home, pay that, and you're all set.
Gotcha. Thank you
Have a good day.
You too.
Good morning. Your name? So you charge with driving while unlicensed. That's a misdemeanor, and you have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one. Would you like a lawyer? All right. We'll set you up. I will go ahead and give you a lawyer. You go out in the hallway. It's going to be a while, okay? So just be patient with them, all right? They're very busy out there. And you go out, and you will be represented by Mr. Gay, or Mr. I don't know who's doing what anymore. Is that yours?
Yes.
Okay. So you'll be represented by Mr. Gaith. Okay? All right, we're all set. Do you have a case in here ready for me to go?
Okay.
Good morning to you. Your name?
Wesley H. Pfeiffer.
I've called twice. I've had my judicial clerk call at least once or twice. The probation officer even tried to email them. It's unfortunate that I won't have the opportunity to address what I consider to be defamatory, libelous statements made by this victim. It sounds like he's making threats, but it's always easy to be gutless on social media or in places where you don't show up. What is your position?
Your Honor, so Matthew Wayne on behalf of the Township of Grosse-Ile. Good morning. The Township's position has not changed, owing to the fact that, per the agreement that the Township struck with the defendant, and as his probation officer indicated that he's taken all steps and abided by all the terms and conditions of his probation, the Township stipulates to dismiss the charge.
Before I go on and do this, I want to make sure. I've never met you. I'm sorry?
No, sir. I'm sorry.
I mean, you look familiar, but I've lived in the community here since I was 1. I mean, my parents moved here from Dearborn when I was 1, and that was in 1959. So I see people, I meet people. I got so many friends that they say that they're my friends. Oh, I'm friends with Judge McNally. I might have met someone who met them at one point. It's just disheartening because an attack on my integrity is nothing I'm going to take lightly at all. It's too bad he didn't have the guts to call back. Case dismissed. Motion to the prosecutor. Hand me your form. Well, wait a minute. I got to swear you in first. Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm under the penalties of perjury, the testimony you've given these proceedings will be the whole truth self you got. Since October 8 of 25, have you been arrested for any reason?
No.
Any new charges? Any contact with the police? You moved to dismiss?
Yes, sir.
You have the form filled out?
Do Your Honor? The signature from.
And for the record, it was under 771.1. You can hand that right to my recorder. That's why when early discharge, if just for the record, as long as accusations are being hurled, prosecutors will typically go ahead and adjourn these when half the time period's up. So that's all I'll say about it. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do going forward. Case dismissed. Good luck. Thank you.
What a roller coaster. The case wrapped up with the defendant pleading responsible for an overweight violation on behalf of the corporation, resulting in a fine of $2,000. But the real twist was the shocking dismissal of a misdemeanor charge, a win for the defendant. So what does this all mean? Legal representation is critical, and paying fines doesn't always close the case. If you found this courtroom drama as intense as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breakdowns on jaw-dropping legal moments.